In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress large file size to small file size so that you can easily upload, download, and share your files easily. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. As you guys can see, the original folder size is actually 600 or something MB. So let me open up property so you guys can see it. So you can see it's actually 638 megabytes right now. So we're actually going to need a software, and that software is the WinRAR software. So all you have to do, just open up your browser, any browser on your PC, search for download WinRAR software PC RAR lab. Just search for exactly what you are seeing on your screen right now. So once you search for this, you are going to see the website at the top, which is this rarlab.com. So just open up the website. Once you open up the website, you are going to see different versions. And by the way, they also have this available for Android devices. So all you have to do is just download any of them that is compatible with your PC. And just as you can see, it's going to download and then install it on your PC. Now, once you are done installing that software, all you have to do now is just go to that folder, right click on the folder. You are going to see a WinRAR option. Now, what you have to do is to click on add to archive. So once you click on this, it's going to open up another section on your screen. So what you have to do now is just set up everything properly, so it's going to actually compress your file. So what you have to do, you can see this compression method, click on it, set it at best. Now, dictionary size, change it to 128 MB. Then over here you can see create solid archive, turn it on. Then you can also see lock archive, turn it on. Then the next thing you have to do now is just give this a name. So you can actually see the name at the top, so just give it a name. I'm actually going to call mine compressed.rar. So that's what I'm going to call mine. So once you are done with it, just click on OK and it's going to start compressing. So normally it's definitely going to take some time, so I'm going to skip this video to once it's done compressing. Alright guys, it's done compressing, and as you can see, the compressed file is actually 385 megabytes, while the original file is 638 megabytes. So if you ever need to compress any file or move any file and then save it as a RAR file, then this software is exactly what you need to use. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.